Hello everyone, I'm Sindhu Senkar Setti and today the video is about big data analytics. Let's go to the contents of the video. Big data and overview, characteristics, data structures, key roles of big data analytics versus business intelligence, life cycle of data analytics. Big data. Let's see what big data is. Big data is a collection of data that is huge in volume yet growing exponentially with time. It is a data with so large size and complexity that none of traditional data management tools can store it or process it efficiently. So let's see the types of big data. There are the three types of big data: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Let's see the difference between structured versus unstructured. The first one is based on relational database, and the unstructured data is based on character and binary database. Structured data is schema dependent and less flexible, while coming to unstructured data, it is more flexible and there is absence of schema. Coming to the characteristics, there are five characteristics of big data. They are volume, velocity, veracity, value, and variety. Big data contains large amount of data that is not being processed by traditional data storage or the processing unit. So let's see what these five V's denote. First V, volume, denotes the size and amounts of big data that companies manage and analyze. Second V, value, denotes the most important V of perspective of business. The value of big data usually comes from insight discovery and pattern recognition. Next comes the variety, the diversity and range of different types of data, including structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Velocity defines the speed at which companies receive and store and manage the data. Veracity means the truth or accuracy of data and information assets. Variability defines the changing nature of data. And we can see that the growth of data using the big data has been rapidly increasing over the years. And next, data structures of big data consists of large arrays of homogeneous data, large strings of collections counting distinct values, yes or no response to queries. Next comes the applications of big data. We can see very wide range of applications of big data like travel and tourism, financial and banking sector, healthcare, telecommunication, e-commerce, and social media. Data science versus business intelligence. Both data science and BI enables business users to make smart decisions with data. Both with data science and BI, we focus on data and we want to give value for our users. And next, coming to the life cycle of big data analytics, it comes in six phases. The first stage is discovery, where the data science team learn and investigate the problem. And next comes the data preparation phase, where they explore the data and like what data has to be used for this process. And next comes the model planning. The team explores data to learn how relationships between variables and subsequently they plan the model building. The next phase is model building. Team develops datasets for testing, training, and production purposes. And next comes the communication results. After executing model, team need to compare outcomes of modeling to criteria established for success and failure. Next, the operational phase. The team communicates benefits of project more broadly and sets up pilot project to deploy work in a controlled way before the broadening the work of full enterprise of users. And as you have seen, these are the six phases of big data analytics. All these phases will go in an incremental way. And as you can see in the picture, first discovery phase will occur, and then data preparation phase and model planning phase. And next come the model building, communication, and operationalize. If it, at any step we have to go back, we can go back also. After the model planning stage and model building stage also, we can go to the previous steps and again restart from there. After completing the model building also, we can go back to model planning, data preparation, and discovery. Like that, we can, it is an iterative and so that see discovery, data preparation, all these why we have to commence all these steps, because when we are having a problem, we have to identify, when we have identified the problem, we have to find what is the solution for that. For finding out the solution and insight, first we'll discover the problem, and then we'll prepare the data, and then we'll perform some tasks on the data, and then we get some insights like where has the problem occurring, like that. And then we try to communicate the problem with the stakeholders. And then thus like this, the big data analytics plays an important role in our life, not just in a single sector. It plays an important role in many sectors like health, finance, real estate, many things where we can make use of big data.